Welcome to Visualizing Science and Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to make a simple dice rolling program in Python. So I will be using PyCharm IDE. It is opening. Now I will be creating a new file. As you know, a dice has 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to import a module named random. Also we have to import another module named time for giving some pause. Now create a while loop so that the program can be run many times inside the loop. Now we create a variable for those random numbers. Here we have to give the limit from 1 to 6. Now print that the dice is rolling. After that, give 1 second of pause so that it feel that a realistic die is rolling. For that, type time dot sleep, give 1 second. Next print the result, that is the number you got. Now give that variable random numbers. Now if you want to ask the user if he or she wants to rerun the program, for that we have to ask. So make another variable named choice. Ask that will you want to run the program again. Give the choices as yes or no, like Y or N. Now if the user gives his or her choice as yes, that is Y, then the program will continue to run. So give the function continue, or else the program will stop. So give break. Now the user can type Y or N in uppercase or lowercase. So we have to bring all the input in lowercase. For that we will be using the lower function of string like this. run the program. So the dice has rolled and I got 2. So if I want to run the program again, I can type Y. So the dice is again rolling. This time I have got 5. As I have given this function choice equals to choice.lower, I can type this the choice that if I want to run the program again or not in uppercase letter also, then also it will work. But if I type N no, then the program is finished with exit code 0. So I hope you like this program. Please subscribe to my channel.